got some heavily soiled areas here, so I'm going to mix up some spotter with Sager sauce, code red. I'm going to first pre-treat it with my carpet details, and then I'm going to go over the bad areas with the Sager sauce. And then I got some specialty stain removal I'm going to be doing. There's a big paint spill, and I didn't guarantee it'll all come out, but I'm going to have a stab at it and see. I'm kind of low on my treatment here too. So I was just walking around giving free estimates, and in 45 minutes I booked 2 jobs and a possible. So keep that in mind, folks, and it's in a nice area, as you can tell. And this guy, he needed it done today, so I went ahead and did my little walk around for about 45 minutes, and then I'm starting. So stay tuned. Okay, so what I was doing there is there was the paint spilled, and the kid put paper towels over the top of it, and so what happened is the paper towel stuck to the paint. So what I did is put the steamer on there, steamed up the paper towel, and also kind of softened up that paint a little bit so I can break it up. Right, I'm gonna take take the end of my hose, pull up all the debris that was brought up, and then I'm going to treat it with the paint remover and clean it. So I'm going to pull all my hoses, well, my vacuum hose now, and get started cleaning. it's going to take between 3 to 5 hours to dry. Get the fans on, heat about 70, and you're good. All right, so looks pretty dirty, but water doesn't look that bad. Probably because it has a lot of white in it from the paint that I was extracting and working on. So I got that spot, as you can tell, about 90% out. It was just going to take me too long. I charge them my minimum $40 for specialty stain removal, but it goes from 40 to 100. I didn't really have the budget for that 100, so what I did is I worked at it and I spent a little longer than I usually do for that 40 bucks, but I did also tell them next time I come back I'm going to go ahead and treat that for free, and I should be able to get the rest of it up. Just let them know, just don't treat it with anything. So yeah, so he was really happy. So I walked around the neighborhood for about 45 minutes, and I booked 2 appointments, 1 possible. Then as I was leaving, the neighbor called me over for a hardwood floor estimate. So, and this job, I did a quote for the tile and grout. So, man, it's a slow time for me right now. I ain't gonna lie. Phone's not ringing. So I got up this morning and I put my walking shoes on, and I'm glad I did, because actually ended up with 3 jobs booked and 2 possibles. Now, if I would have just sat around and waited for that phone to ring, then actually I did get 1 phone call today, and I set an appointment by by getting a call. So 1 call, but that would have been it if I didn't get up and do some estimates. And if you're not willing to do estimates, if you're not willing to get out there and knock on doors, then you shouldn't be in business for yourself, because you're not willing to put in that hard work. And it's really not that bad when you're actually doing this for your own business, right? It's not that bad at all. So, an hour's work, 3 estimates, 2 possibles. Come on, guys. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys got a little bit out of this. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go home and go ahead and type up these estimates and send them out. All right. Have a good one.
Somebody told you that hard work don't pay off. I'm here to tell you, if you work for it, if you're willing to put in that sweat, that blood, and those tears, baby, I'm telling you, you can have what you want, be what you want, do what you want. Are you hearing me? Keep going till you see it. Don't quit. Don't give up. Listen to me. Don't give up. Don't give in. You hang in there. You hang in there, because if you quit right now, you ain't gonna never see it. But if you hold on, everything you dreamed of, everything you envisioned, everything you worked for, it's coming. But you can't quit or give up before you get it. If you work hard, you can't have it. It ain't nothing you can't have. You deserve it. It ain't nothing you can't have if you're willing to work for it. It ain't nothing you can't have if you're willing to persevere, if you're willing to stick in there, if you're willing to stay, if you're willing to fight. It ain't nothing you can't have. Are you hearing what your boy is telling you? It's yours. It's yours. I'm coming up.